What's up guys? So today we're going to be installing hood struts on my 94 Toyota Supra. This way I no longer have to manually put the hood prop up. Just looks way cleaner. It's a lot nicer. Most of the hood struts you see out there on Mark IV Toyota Supras are actually from one guy. His name is Kirk. That's where I got these from. I'm going to go ahead and leave his information down in the description below if you want to order a set of these for yourself. They're $100 shipped, so you can't really beat that. And the fit and finish and the quality is very nice. These come in unfinished aluminum. You could go ahead and powder coat them or paint them yourself. I'm going to go ahead and put them on in the raw aluminum form just like this. So let's get into it. We're going to start out by removing this 10mm bolt that holds the fender in. We're going to do it on both sides of the car. We're going to go ahead and replace them with these. Make sure you don't forget the washer. Go ahead and thread it in as much as you can by hand on both sides. You just need an 8mm wrench to tighten it, and it doesn't need to be super tight, just snug. And this side, go ahead and tighten it up by hand. Then just use your 8mm wrench to snug it. Next, we need to remove these two 12mm bolts. Mind you, the hood is going to come off the hinge, so you've got to kind of hold it in place while you're doing it. And we're going to go ahead and slide this in there and then put the bolts back in and tighten it up. As you can see, I'm holding the hood with my left hand so that it doesn't fall back and hit the windshield, because you could potentially crack the windshield if it did fall back abruptly. Interesting fact, if you did not know, the Supra Mark IV hoods are made out of aluminum. Alright, now that this one's tight, we're going to go ahead and move to the other side. Alright, now that one's done. Next step, we're going to go ahead and install the struts. All you're going to do is just push this into place onto the bolt. That's it. We're just going to let that one sit there for now. So what I'm doing now is actually taking the hood strut off and lifting up on the hood. I'm just going to push it down onto this one. That one's in place, so now I'm going to put the hood strut back up. We're going to move to the other side. Same thing on this side. I'm going to push it on until it clicks and snaps in place, and we're going to twist it so it lines up with this one. I'm going to go ahead and remove the hood strut, lift up on the hood with one hand, and pop that into place. There we go. Alright, now as you can see, holds itself up all by itself. Really nice feature. Now we can go ahead and remove the original factory hood strut, get it out of there. Just have to twist it out, pull straight up. Bam. It cleans it up quite a bit, and it makes it real cool and neat and clean when you open the hood on this thing. So all it took was about 5 or 10 minutes and a little help from my buddy Marty. What's up, buddy? So there you have it. You too could have hood struts and be able to just lift up your hood, let it hold itself up. All you got to do is go down in the description. I've got Kirk's information down below, his Instagram and his Facebook. Just shoot him a message and he will get a set of these on their way to you. So you can stick them on your Supra and have that cool look, just like this one. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.